Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bagger Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. You're looking at a point and figure chart, which is a price chart, just price. It's an old style chart. It's what they would use in the 1920s and the 1930s. It records time, but it is not time dependent. It doesn't matter what the noise or the news of the day is. It's known as taking out all that noise. We just want to track the price. This is a point and figure of the QQQ, the NASDAQ 100, which has been leading this bull market for years. What is going on? What can we share with you so that you can get an idea? Is this just a pullback, a dip to be bought? Is this the start of something big? Let me show you something. By the way, today is Wednesday. Let me double check. Last check, it's Thursday. It's been a quick week, great week, July 25th. So let me show you something. X's is when prices went up. O's are when prices went down. So the market had tried to break down, and it turned out to be a bear trap, and it reversed and then went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 boxes straight up. Took out all the bears, sucked in all the dumb money, and then it reversed. Count how many O's we've had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Almost half. Usually, if you just pull back a third of the move, you might interpret from that there's higher prices to come. But when we pull back half or more, it could mean that this last move up in the QQQs, up over 500, has been an exhaustion move. It cleaned out all the shorts, sucked in all the dumb money, but now there's no place else for it to go but back down. We could come all the way back down. We might pause right around here at 446. We might even throw back a few bricks. But I don't think we'll see the highs again this year. In fact, if we come back down and then bounce and then ultimately break 416, which is some 50 to 60 points lower from here, that will be the first official point and figure sell signal when it breaks 416. Where will it go from there? Most likely, and it may take time, may take a few weeks or even a few months, it'll come racing right down to the trend line at 355. So I'll let you calculate the percentages. Regardless of what stocks you own, a rising tide will raise all boats. A lowering tide will lower all boats. And by the way, if we do come down to 355, we'll most likely get a little bit of a bounce, and it will once again suck in dumb money. And then if it reverses again and ultimately breaks 355, which it's possible, and that might be early next year, then the long bull market that we've been in since 2023 could be coming to an end, and we usher in a bear market. Why might that happen? I'll leave that to others, the macro babble. But the price action on the NASDAQ, let's bring this back into view right here on a point and figure, is in a very dangerous place. What do? You might, if you're long this market and you've been long a long time, you might begin to take money off the table. If it continues to run, you'll participate. But if it crashes out, at least you'll have some money to participate at a later date. If you are in retirement or close to retirement, you most certainly want to take precautions. If you are a trader and you are diversified in knowing what to do and how to do it, and or have a trading professional at your disposal, ask them to get you hedged. Ask them to prepare for a bear market. We think it's coming. I'm Bagger Don at stockmarketcaddy.com. Be sure to visit our website. If you have questions after you visited and you want to give me a call, I can be reached at 813-758-8263. Don't wait too long, folks. I'm not going to manage your money. I'm not going to give you specific recommendations to buy or sell anything. I'm going to do something much more valuable. For the person who has the time, the discipline, the patience, the risk capital, the passion to take over this part of their life themselves, I'm here to help mentor you and provide you some of the most sophisticated algos you could hope to get, saving you the most valuable commodity of all, more valuable than gold, more valuable than crypto, time. Time, folks. It can't be bought, it can't be sold, it can't be traded. I hope to hear from you. We have an unlimited number of monthly memberships. We have a limited number of annual memberships. For the past 3 years, we've had to suspend our annual licenses by November 1 as we hit the most growth that we can handle. And then it opens back up in January. We're on pace to do just about the same. So if you're ready, and that's what you want to do, don't wait. Let's get it penciled in advance. I'd hate to see you lose a spot and lose time. Good luck.